Hi guys, today we're drawing Baby Yoda from the Mandalorian, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is using a Sharpie on your paper. We're just going to go in and we're going to draw a curved line. And let's go ahead and draw his ears. So we're going to draw another curved line followed by another one right underneath. And let's go to the other side and we're going to do the same thing. Draw a curved line and then go right under and draw another one. Okay, now we need a curved line to finish off the face. And now let's go in and put in 2 eyebrows, followed by the eyes. I'm just using a curved line and going all the way around to make the eyes. Let's add a little nose and a cute little smile. And then we're going to go inside the ears and draw that inner part of the ear. And let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now we're going to go in and draw his robe. Let's start with his collar. We're going to draw 2 curved lines here. And then let's go ahead and draw a heart in the center. So he's going to be holding a heart. We're just going to draw a curved line for the arms. And let's draw his hands. And on the other side, we're just going to draw a curved line followed by another curved line. And let's finish off the heart. Okay, I'm just going to go in the background and add a couple more hearts. You guys could make these as big or as small as you'd like. Oops, sorry for the cutoff. There we go. And I'm going to add one more over here. And let's go inside of the eyes and draw the highlight in his eye. So I'm just drawing 2 little circles and then I'm going to fill everything in with my black Sharpie. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this Baby Yoda. If I did a good job of showing you how to draw him, give it a like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos next week. Okay guys, have a good one. Bye bye.